Today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York PM session. Today is August 21st, 2025. I'm currently short in Bitcoin in two different positions. I'll walk you through what I have going top down. So here on the daily, this wick here swept out this buy side liquidity here. If you can see, there's a red line right here. This red line is in conjunction with this wick right here. So there's a wick right here that put in the high for the month last month, and then that was the all-time high at the time, which left buy side liquidity resting up here for anyone who went short at this level. And then, as I mentioned, this wick here came back and traded into that, rating that buy side liquidity, and then we get a move to the sell side here. And then with this sell side delivery here, we're getting a couple of fair value gaps placed in there, potentially for when price comes back. But right now, or at least yesterday, the liquidity, the sell side liquidity resting below this candle was taken out. And today there's the potential for the sell side liquidity resting below these candles, which would be the sell side liquidity resting below this price leg, this all-time high price leg. So there's sell side liquidity here that I'm targeting today. And then some further liquidity that I'm targeting. Here on the 60-minute chart here, you can see this is the range that I'm trading in currently. And then you can see here these green lines are session highs. So these orange lines that you see, these vertical lines, are day dividers for based off of New York, midnight New York. So you can see price has been staging lower and lower, and if I back up, you'll see that even further here. So there's a high here that's not been traded back to, a high here, high here, high here, high here, high here, high here. So you can see this trend here in price action as there's been sell side delivery since this buy side liquidity has been rated here. So consistently selling here. And then here on the 60, you can see here on this 60, you can see when I took this entry yesterday, when price, you get this displacement, fair value gap here, consolidation, and then you get this sell side delivery, fake out down here to buy side delivery, and I was able to get an entry here near the high of the day, get a little bit of consolidation still here, and then sell side delivery, back up, buy side delivery here into my second entry here, and then a return to sell side delivery. And then for more detail up here on the 5-minute, I'll walk you through my first entry and then my second entry. So this whole range here that you're seeing here on the 5-minute, this is representing this area here on the 60-minute here. So all of that is representing all of this, and there's a little bit still left over here. But for my first entry, this was my dealing range for yesterday. So within this dealing range, I want to target a 62% level for an optimal trade entry, which the optimal trade entry is in between this 79% here and this 62%. So doing a horrible job of staying within the lines here but this is the optimal trade entry, or the OTE area here, on where I want to take an entry here. So you can see the displacement here, consolidation, consolidate a leg up, consolidation, sell side, buy side, consolidation, consolidation. Then this short buy side delivery here, which trades me up into the optimal trade entry, and I take an entry here. And then you can see price consolidates here, goes up, tests deeper into the trading range there, and then this is my dealing range for today. So this range being inside of the overall range from yesterday, today's range being an inside range from yesterday's range. So I'm still having the same bias overall based on the daily here and the 60. So I am looking for shorting opportunities here in the morning, or then in the morning, with this being the range. And then we get here, this sell side liquidity here is swept from the previous session here. And then there's buy side delivery here into the 62% OTE, optimal trade entry area. I take an entry here at the 62%, and then get sell side delivery, slight consolidation, sell side delivery, little consolidation, sell side, consolidation, slight buy side, and now back to the sell side here. Keeping my size small here, as I am getting more comfortable with the ICT methodologies here, and I've been combining some of the methodologies that the ICT teaches or offers for his mentorships. So just off of what I've been able to glean from the free mentorships, I've not been able to put one methodology together as it's been given, but combining two different methodologies has brought me to this point. Keeping size small, but the potential here I think is pretty good. So far here, my balance on the account is again keeping the account small and only trading the smallest quantities that my broker will allow. So trying to manage my risk, or trying to keep things, let's say, into perspective and small, and then grow them. I don't want to risk too much funds. But as you can see already, the equity here is already double here with this unrealized. So for me, this methodology is working well. So 2 trades in, and I switched to this methodology yesterday. Once I took some losses earlier in the session, I would say the charts opened up to me. It was like my assumption is I've seen enough of the ICT materials to where things are starting to make sense, where let's say I can, or things start to jump out at me from the charts, or I'm only have eyes for certain things, and now that's starting to, or I would say this, these ICT concepts are starting to click, and I'm starting to see them on the charts. So this is my second day using the methodology, and so far so good here. And then for my trading history for today, you can see the position that I took here at 817 for the sell. And then the position from yesterday is still on, but this is all that I've done so far today. And then waiting to see if we're able to take profits. And then for take profits and stop loss, this is trade number 1, this top one here. This is trade number 2, this lower one here. So on the 60-minute, you can see that my stop loss is above the swing is above the session high from the previous day right here. And then for target, for this trade, I am targeting the rebalance here of this fair value gap. So my target is the rebalance here. And then for today's trade, you can see my stop loss is here, just above the my stop loss is here, just above this swing high. Here, there's going to be buy side liquidity resting here, so my liquidity is in the market currently. And then for take profit, you can see here. Actually, that's the same trade here. For take profit, I am going for a raid of the liquidity. There's sell side liquidity resting below these candles here. So my target is to sweep the liquidity below this area. But this is what I have for today. If you have any questions or would like to know more, feel free to visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade smart, trade confident, trade together. We'll see you next time.